I have the coolest, most amazing life hack. I
Okay.
swear it's the best. So I have this bottom here.
Okay,
It's a
yeah.
bikini
Those
bottom.
panties, I know which ones they are.
Yes. So I'm gonna grab these.
Yeah.
Put them around my neck like this. You see?
Like a necklace.
Yeah. It's like from there, yes. So like this.
Okay.
You see? Stretch them out.
Yeah.
Really good because hey, they're bottoms, right?
Yeah.
Put them around my
Okay.
neck.
Exactly like a necklace. This is going to turn into a headband.
No.
No.
No, cooler than I had then.
Cooler than a headband.
So put it down like this.
Yeah.
And this hand
Yeah.
goes through this hole over here. Ouch, my hair.
Okay. Don't pull out your hair.
Yeah. So you see? Ta-da!
Okay. Yeah.
So you know what's happening?
I'm kind of getting
Over
the
here.
idea,
So
but
we're
like
creating
right
a
now, yeah. You're right. Right now it's a half top, so you can't take
yeah,
it
of
off.
course I can. No.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna take the towel off now. So you see? So we
Okay.
have a half a top,
Okay.
half a bikini top, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take off my buttons.
Your bottoms.
Yeah.
Oh,
My
this is getting exciting now.
my buttons. And they're off.
Okay.
Super. And I'm gonna do the same exact thing, but
Okay.
on the other side. So I might need your help.
So these are different bottoms though, so you can
Yeah,
mix and
two
match
different
basically.
Exactly. So second one over
Yeah.
here. Do the same thing.
Okay.
I'm gonna do the same thing. You see, you grab these two parts, the
Yeah.
sides.
You're gonna wear it as a necklace again.
Yes.
Okay.
Stretch it out a bit.
Stretch it out.
I'm gonna wear this part.
Perfect.
Hand right through that hole.
Okay.
And my next, so I might have to turn because I feel
Okay.
like I'm gonna flash everybody.
No, don't flash the camera. We can't do that.
Hand is in. How does it look on the back?
It's looking pretty decent so far, but your hair's stuck. So yeah, perfect. Perfect.
How's it looking?
It's looking
Super,
pretty
right?
nice, yeah. And I love that
I might
it's
need
two
your
patterns. Okay.
I might need your help.
Come here, so
So
make sure to take off.
I'm gonna remove the towel slowly.
Make sure to take it off slowly, slowly. And then I'll be able to help you with fixing afterwards.
Yeah, so that's done.
Make sure
How
to
does
not.
it look on
Perfect, perfect. It's looking perfect. Okay, we're ready for the big reveal.
Are you ready for it?
We're all waiting.
So from the back it's super.
Yep, that looks pretty nice.
So we can just fix everything.
Okay, waiting for the front. Let's do a countdown in 3, 2, 1. Oh,
Isn't it like
It
the
looks
ultimate
like-
life hack? Imagine you forget like your top.
It
and
looks
you actually
natural.
Can create
it
a
looks
top
so
with two
good.
buttons.
It's actually
It's
nicer than the ones that you
amazing.
have, babe.
Thank you.